Listen, if you have been struggling to pass your profile account, this video is for you. I just helped a stranger to pass a profile account in less than 5 minutes. Yes, in less than 5 minutes, she reached out to me, and I roll it out and pass it for her in less than 5 minutes, and then I hand it over to her. So I'll be showing you this practically how I was able to do that. The setup I expected, the pairs I traded, and how I was able to arrive and pass it for her in less than 5 minutes. Listen to this video and watch through to the end. Go with me now and learn how you can as well pass your profile in less than 5 minutes. Follow me through, watch the video in about right now. Let's go into it. Bye for now.
The screen recording you asked me to do. Let me show you. Yes, this is it. I'm so happy that you helped me to pass my account. Immediately I just log into my account, I just find out that you've helped me to pass my account. I'm extremely happy. Thank you very much, Mr. Sam. God bless you, because I've actually lost a lot of money in this trading. Like, I've lost a lot of money, but just help me to pass the account, because I face so much challenges. But it's really shocking to me when I just log into my account and I find out that wow, you've helped me to pass the account. God bless you. And I'm trying to take this 0.01, and I think it's required like 5 trading days. So once I'm done taking it, I will send you my login details for you to pass this. Thank you very much. God bless you.
All right. So as I said earlier, I'm going to show you exactly the setup and the strategy I used to achieve that. Let me load my screen there to achieve the profile, passing of the profile in less than 10 minutes. I told you guys I used just one setup, 3 pairs. I took just 3 pairs, but just one setup, 3 pairs, but only one setup was used to achieve that, and I passed the account in less than 10 minutes. Market started moving and hit the target profit, and that was all. So let me show you how I was able to do that and exactly what I saw in the market before I took USD card sell. Can you see this sell? This sell over here, USD card sell was what I took. Market moved about 30 to 40 pips. I already completed the profit target. I don't even need to waste much time. So because I know those kind of setup is a crazy setup that helps me to make money crazy often time. So I already know the setup I was expecting. Meanwhile, I actually gave this trade out on Sunday. I gave it out on Sunday as market outlook to those who are on our community. We gave that to them to always as an expo, what we are looking at for the week. So if you are not on our community, I guess you're missing. Please look into the link in my bio. It's free, and join us in the community so you can always have access to some of these expos for their crazy top-notch signals, top-notch setup we are looking at for the week. So we give out topmost accurate setup that we know that this setup are so sure. We give it out as an expo for the week so that our student can trade for free. Am I talking? So if you are not in our group, I want to urge you, please join the community right now. You can see the link in my bio. Also, under this description of this video, you can find the link around there and join us in our community. Also, I want to use the opportunity to also say that those who are just watching this video for the very first time, thank you so much for watching our video, and thank you for stopping by. I want to urge you to do not forget to please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can always get updates on some of our amazing and tutorials videos like this, eye-opening videos like this. All right, so that's for that. So while that is going, let me show you very quickly how the entering I got for them, because I used to stay about entering a lot. Entering is very key. If you are a trader that you often know the bias of the market, probably you predict sell it sells, buy it buys, but oftentimes you get wicked out. You get market take you out to entering on one way or the other. That means you are not bad. You're not a bad trader. What you just lack is entering strategy. You lack what we call entering signal strategy. This entering signal strategy we give to our students for free. We have about 18 to 20 entering signal strategies which we give to our students. So this was where I opted in. This is a 30 time. Let me show you on 15 time frame where I saw the engulfing. So we have engulfing. We have different types of entering strategies. They are for free. We have a template for it. You can drop it on the comment section. Please send me the entry strategies document. If you do that, I'm not some people that if you do that, let me see those who are willing to ask, those who need this. So if you know that, if I know that you need this, type it on the comment section and let me see, so we can ask some of our support can send it to your email, can send it as an email. If you need it, type right now on the on this video comment and type that. Let me know that you need it. Let me know if you need it. Say that I need the entry strategies, the entry signal strategies setup. And then strategy, the documents for it. So you need to see different type of entries that we have in the market. So you just have to be looking those for all those entries before you enter the market. Once your market gets to your zone or area of interest or area of concentration, as I call it, or area of attention. I call this area of attention because it's a area you're meant to buy and then sell. Okay. So when the market comes to that area, you then shoot. Good. So this is where I entered. Can you see, guys? I saw this engulfing. This bullish engulfing, and I waited for the market to retest a bit. After retesting a bit, I just enter my trade and I put my stop loss ahead of this my cycle level, that green cycle level ahead, and I was listening about 15 or 12 pips, so low pips. I was so confident that this trade will go fine. So I was listening so less. I was so confident. So that was how if I were to have lost those trade I took for her, I would have lost $150. I was wasting about 3%. And then now up to 1.5, the market already reached our target profit. So if it were to be a personal trade, that market will give you a 1 to 3, and we'll be making times 3 or times 4 times 5 of what I've reached. So it was a crazy setup, crazy one. So the next one was this one, GBPUSD. Same thing as well. Remember I said one setup, 3 pair. It was same thing as well. It was on a cycle level, and the market did double top. The move was about 400 pips, but I took my profit around here. That was so painful. I took my profit around. I think market will retest, and I stopped at that place. But I never stopped. It keep going on and give about 400 pips. Can you imagine the buy? I caught the buy so fresh. I caught it at the sniper entry. I will show you how I got my entry and everything. I'll show you. I was trying to take the sell at this point. You can see this one. I lost it over there. I think market will expect that. I can see those two resistance points there. So I thought market would expect, but never expected those stops, and keep going and gives about 400 pips. I wish I held the market. I would have made bastard and bastard. So it's crazy, man. So that was it. So you can see this level where you can see from the beside the level left side, market we started with did an resistance, then break up and come back to come and do what? Come and create what is support level. Some people call it supply and demand zone. Okay, all right. So come and create what support level. So I waited for it to form what it need to form for me and everything before I could shoot. And market did the formation, did everything for me, and I entered as a 15-minute time frame with my entering confirmation signal candle. I need to wait because I tell people that every candle communicates. Every candle do what? Every candle communicates what we call communicates a language. Communicates a language. So those languages are what you must understood. Those languages are what you must be able to interpret. I'm not talking. Those languages are what you must be able to put it into action. Oh, the language is speaking the language to me. For me, I understand them so well. Mr. Sam, this is where I want to sell. This is where I want to buy. It's time to shoot. It's time to execute. It's time to this kind of stuff. I so much understand them so well. That's why I was able to. So let me show you. This was where I got my entry in. You can see this candle. You can see that bullish candle that engulfed about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It engulfed all those candles. Then I entered and I put my stop loss just about 20 something pips below. The market came back to do another pullback again. It just came out and then boosh. That's how it goes. It didn't even do up to 30 pips. I already hit the target already. The setup was I was so confident in those setup. I was so sure of it. That was why I was risking about 150 pips. I think they did down for that challenge where that profile was 200 or 250 or so. So I just risked about 150, and that was how I was able to pass it for her within less than 10 minutes. That was the second pair I took. Or let me show you the last pair I took as well. That is EURUSD. Same setup, different pairs. Same strategy, different pairs. So market was around this point as well. I've been waiting for it for the past 1 week. Market to come to that place actually, and that was this very new week. That was on the 23rd of June. Market came back to that place, which I was waiting for the past 2 weeks. I've been waiting for it. The market came back and it's a sweet and amazing setup, very sweet and fantastic. So market came to that area, and did what? Double top. Once it did a double top for me, I waited for confirmation to be sure that it's ready to what and not put me out. It's ready to move. I'll show you guys. That was where and then the market gave that signal for me. I'm ready to move, and the market moved and gave us the money we needed. So that was how, and that one too did about, I think it did about 300 pips. For instance, keep moving. I entered that around this point. I thought market will just this thing. See, it did about 300 pips. I thought market will just test around it, but whenever it tested just a bit and then keep moving till about margin. So that was a crazy one for me, because that setup is very, very crazy. So these are the things we teach our students. You want to learn some of this setup and how you can use this strategy to pass profile as you like, as anyhow. Those are the things you can use to pass profile as you like, as anyhow. Is a crazy one. Join us in our community right now. Click the link below. It's free to join our community, so you can learn some of this setup for free. Okay, guys. So that is that for guys. If you have any questions or anything concerns, let me know and drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to attend to you. Let me know how you also pass your own profile. Is it once? Is it a week? Is it 2 weeks? Is it 1 month? Let me know how you do yours as well. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Thank you, and God bless you. Peace out, guys.